Hello guys, this is Hanif and welcome to the live voting channel. Today I am going to show you how to convert the black and white pictures to color pictures, and I'm not going to use any kind of software like Photoshop or other software. I will simply use some online tools. So let's see how to do that. Please do subscribe on my channel and click on the notification icon to get latest video updates. In order to convert the black and white photos to color photos, we have to use some website. So I have two websites which actually works very great. So the first one is basically a deep learning based website which basically what it does, it takes the photo and analyze the photo and then use some machine learning tools and machine learning algorithms to convert the black and white image to color image. So let's see how to do that. So okay, first I would like to show something. So this is a color photo of me, so I converted in that image to black and white so that I can give you some comparison. Okay, so this is the black and white, so I would like to take that image. Okay, and then it will do some algorithm. Okay, so here is the output image, and if just download it, so download it. And now if I show you the comparison, so as you can see, it is the original color image and this is the color image by the deep learning's website. So yeah, it actually works well, I guess, not so bad. And let's try some other photos as well, like this one. So yeah, it seems good and it can actually do the work perfectly, I guess, in some cases, because you don't have to wait a long time or don't need to do it manually. So it is doing by the machine learning algorithms, so it's good. And you can download the image from here. And another website that I want to show you now is that, okay, so this is the another website. Another website that we can use to convert our black and white photos to color image is this one, Colorize photo. So we can get this link. Okay, and from here you need to launch web app, click here and go back. Then you can see, so whichever photo we want to make color, so you just need to open it. Suppose I want to make this image, this one, color image. Okay, and for this we actually need some reference image. So and we can use any kind of image for like this one. We can use this image as a reference image. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to select the color of the face and then take it, and you can use the reference image for changing the color of the black and white photos. Like this way I'm using the skin tone of that reference image, and you can select the color by dragging that mouse pointer for some reason and then choose that color, and you can then use that color to match your black and white photo. Like you can even check that lip color from another reference photo and then use that lip color in your photo, and like you can change the color of the code of that black and white photo. So yeah, it looks great, but another thing is that it is a manual process, that like that you need to do it by manual, not auto processing. It's not doing by auto, so automatically. And so you need to be very careful about choosing the corners and painting the backgrounds or the corners of that photo so that it doesn't look odd. So you need to give some time, and if you think thus you have the skills to make it like a black and white photo color, I think you should need to use it using the software. This site actually not software, because if I say software, it's an app, but it's a web app and it seems like it's free, it's not charging anything right now. And like the Photoshop or other photo editing software which charges a lot, you need to pay a lot for the professional version or the pro version. And this website is really doing great job, I guess. And you can convert as many pictures as you like, and you can save it, and it doesn't even giving any watermark or something on that image, so it looks like it's an original image. And you can even change the brightness, contrast, and everything. Yeah, everything is there, every kind of option is available there. And you can even change between the photos to change the color. If you think that the color of that face is not right, you can change another reference image and then take that color from the reference image and use that on your black and white photo. So yeah, I think it's good. And you can even save that image without any issue. You just need to click on save, and then it will save it. And now as I have saved it, so if I think I can show the both results, like the previous black and white and the color one. So if I open the black and white photo right now, and you keep the photo side by side, and you can see it is really great. So it is not doing anything, it is actually doing great job using this website, and it is not using any kind of Photoshop or something. So yeah, give it a try. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Hope this helped. Thank you.